Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on a Chromebook. Valorant is a popular tactical shooter, but it's built specifically for Windows. Since Chromebooks run on Chrome OS, you can't just download and install it directly. This presents a unique challenge, but there are a few workarounds we can explore to get you into the game. Let's dive into the options available. One of the most effective ways to play Valorant on a Chromebook is through cloud gaming services. These platforms, such as Boosteroid or GeForce Now, run the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video to your device. You'll need a very stable internet connection, ideally at least 15 megabits per second, to ensure a smooth experience. Keep in mind that most of these services operate on a subscription model. Another approach involves enabling the Linux beta environment on your Chromebook. Once Linux is set up, you could try installing compatibility layers like Wine to run Windows applications. However, for a demanding game like Valorant, the performance is typically very poor, often unplayable. Furthermore, this method is not officially supported by Valorant's anti-cheat system, which could lead to issues. It's generally not a viable solution. While Chromebooks do support a vast array of Android applications, it's important to clarify that Valorant is not available as an Android app. There isn't an official mobile version of the game that you can simply download from the Google Play Store. Therefore, relying on Android apps will not allow you to play Valorant directly. You might find similar mobile games, but not Valorant itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.